Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen want to turn on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system, reset phone and reset factory settings. Click on erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen want to turn on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.